G'day, today I'm going to show you how to replace shoulder straps, and this is a really great skill that you'll most probably need to know if you're a cleaner or have one of these backpack vacuum cleaners. The cool thing about this is that there is so many different backpack vacuum cleaners on the market, but this procedure that I'm going to show you really will work on most of the models. So let's get into it. What you're going to need is a new pair of straps like these. These are the new Stealth straps. Just a little point on these. The straps come like this, and so we're going to actually make sure that we put them on the machine so that the straps are facing outwards like this. These are nice quality straps. We have a reinforcing strap all the way through here. It's nice and wide, and so it's going to last you a long time. So we'd recommend getting these ones. These are the Stealth shoulder strap sets. So let's get into it, and we're going to remove the existing shoulder straps. I'm going to show you how to do this without the use of tools, but a nice little hint if you wanted to speed the process up, or if you were struggling to remove your existing straps, is just to grab some scissors and chop them off. But I think it's cooler if you do it with no tools. So we're going to pull all the straps off, the bottom adjusting straps and the top ones, and start from scratch. Alright, so we're nearly there. Alright, cool. So I'm just going to grab my new straps, and first off I'll show you how to put on the bottom adjusting strap. And it's very important that you keep your bottom adjusting strap and your new shoulder strap together, because there is different widths and materials. For example, there is this one here. You can see our new one is quite wide. It's also a stronger fabric. So make sure that you remove whatever straps you've got on your existing machine, chuck them out, and put the good one on. So I'm just going to loop it straight through the back support here. Just going to go through here and go through the big loop. And we'll do the same for the other side. Yeah, that's right. We are the A-Team here. Just so you know, all of our friends here on YouTube, that we've got myself and Bronte here doing the video this morning, and our founder as well, who just interrupted, but it's all good. His name's Gordon, and we're all having fun down here. We actually love spending time in the workshop, having a little play with our playing with things. There's the founder again, just mucking up. Then we go straight onto the shoulder straps, and before you start, we just want to create a bit of a loop here. So just come back through your buckle. It's a little bit tight, this. Once you get a little bit through, it's a little bit easier. Just make sure you've got a little bit of a tail down the bottom. Just like that. Then you can put it on your machine. So loop it around the handle. just making sure that the direction of the shoulder strap is coming down and out, like a nice curly hair. Put the other one on. This one we've prepared earlier. It's already got the loop in it. These buckles here will give you a little bit of an adjustment there if you need it as well. That's what it looks like at the top. As I said, these are coming out like hair. And then we're ready to go ahead and connect the bottom adjusting strap. So it's just as easy as coming up through the buckle and down. Sorry about the shaking. Bit nervous. And I shake in general too, so there we go. And right there, that's how you replace your shoulder straps on a backpack vacuum cleaner.